Okay. Here we are with a light box. Here is your drawing that you have, or the photograph of the leaf that you have printed. And when you put it on top of the light box, you see how the light comes through and makes it easy to actually trace. Now I'm taking a piece of tracing paper, all right, and a 2B pencil. I don't want to use anything that is too soft, because if I use anything that's too soft, it'll just smudge. And then what I want to do is I want to learn what is happening with this leaf, like what lines are showing up or defining the shape of this leaf. So I'm going to start with just the outside lines, or this one line that's very important. It is the inside line of that center vein of the leaf. And then this is the contour line of the other side of the leaf. And right here is some shadow, so you're not going to be able to see that. But then I want you to start looking at these other lines. Look what happens right here. See how that line comes through there and then comes around? So what's happening is it's coming up around, and the leaf is turning, so it's almost like a piece of ribbon, and then it really does continue over here. It's just that you're seeing the underside and the on the outside. So I want you just to draw these lines to get a feel for what this leaf is, how this leaf is constructed. How these undulating lines create space that is either wider or narrower. Okay, and as you do that, you're going to learn how this leaf is constructed, okay? Now, you're going to then eventually do this without the tracing paper. You're not going to trace it, you're going to actually draw it. So it's very important that you learn what this leaf is made up of, how it works, okay? And you want to look to see where the shadows are so you don't confuse those with it. Now, not everybody has a light box. In fact, I doubt if any of you do. So I am going to show you next how you can create a light box of your own so that you can do this out at your home or in your dorm room. First thing you're going to do is tape your drawing to the window, right? Take your piece of tracing paper and tape it right over it. And usually put 2 pieces of tape on there, okay? So it holds it. Okay, so that's how you use your window as a light box.